और इसी बीच राष्ट्रपति द्रौपदी मुर्मू के फिजी दौरे पर विदेश मंत्रालय की तरफ से प्रेस वार्ता की जा रही है। आइए सीधा लेकर चलते हैं।
By garlanding the bust of the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, in the just a little while ago, and also placed a wreath at the National War Memorial in Suva. Earlier in the afternoon, Prime Minister hosted a lunch for the visiting Rashtrapati ji and her delegation. A community interaction was also held today, where Rashtrapati ji addressed community members of Indian origin in Fiji and hailed the contribution of Girmitias, recognizing their immense contribution to the growth and development of Fiji, and also fostering ties between our two nations. I think a large part of our close and long-standing bilateral ties is built on people-to-people linkages, and almost a third of Fijian population trace their roots to India, while at the same time they retain their culture, traditions and language, but with a typical Fijian flavor. Deputy Prime Minister Dr. Biman Prasad also gathered the Indian community event. Rashtrapati ji appreciated the declaration of a national holiday on the occasion of Girmit Divas every year, and also the fact that Hindi is now one of the official languages of Fiji. Later in the evening today, President Kotonivere will be hosting a reception in honor of Rashtrapati ji. An important outcome of the visit was the formal allocation of the project site for the 100-bedded super speciality hospital to be established in Suva as a Government of India grant in 8 projects, which was announced by Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji at the third FIPIC summit in 2023, that is last year. We are confident that this critical infrastructure for public good will bring a paradigm change in the delivery of quality and affordable health care, not just to Fiji, but to the entire Pacific region. Another important outcome of this visit was the allocation of land by the Fijian government for the construction of our High Commission premises and the Indian Cultural Center in Suva. Let me conclude here by saying that Rashtrapati ji's visit not only reinforces the long-standing friendship between India and Fiji, but also sets the stage for elevating our multifaceted partnership with Fiji to the next phase. Thank you, and if you have any questions, I would be happy to respond.
Thank you, sir. Now I open the floor for questions.
तो इस वक्त राष्ट्रपति फिजी में हैं।